now I'm on my way to wash my car because I have like 2 shoots to do today, and that's what we doing. By the time this video is uploaded, I did install the icon headlights from West Coast Euro, so you guys should already know. I just need to get them coated in so that air could go away. Alright, look who I see in front of me. It's the homie Joe. Got the homie Joe in his G82 M4, looks so sick. It says he misses his F80 though. Bro, looks so good, dude. Look, another F80. Alright, so we're just now getting set up. Bro, the pink hoodie's actually sick. Got all the homies here.
Damn, bad pack her backwoods, hit me with the same straw that fucked the camel up. Bad bitches can't trust, I just had to change numbers for my sanity.
The MVP right here, he's a host.
I think I'm lit, jumping.
Alright, so huge shout out to EPC